or 5 k's out of Magaliesburg town. 62 k's, 60 k's say out of Joburg or from Karen. I think I'll just film this one going into Magalies. Nice little meander, this little part of it. Geez, I really hope these videos come out okay. Gonna have my beer or my wine or my G&T at thru, sitting on my patio at my place. Hopefully they got cell phone reception. Getiep. Going on the potholes, no one behind me. Hope you can see the splendid view coming up across Magaliesburg, the furthest range you can see. So some of you would have noticed those big trucks. I'm quite sure they got platinum ore, huge platinum mines out in Rustenburg area, and they bring it all the way into Joburg to the smelter or whatever it's called for processing. And down the hill into little Magaliesburg town. So the direct route would be to go left at that fork up ahead onto, I think it's Koster, then Swartruggens and then Grootmarico. But there's a bit slightly more of a scenic route, I think, if I take the right bend, go a little bit over the top. No trains running, we know that. This car get past. Magaliesburg town, CBD. You see the sign there, left to Koster, but I'm going to go kind of over the top, less busy I think. Well, I don't know, maybe the ore trucks will be there, but they'll be going the other way. I don't think I'll stop here, but I will stop here because there's a groot bloody truck that wants to eat me for breakfast. That's what I mean about that being a big road. So that's the Trans whatever couriers. Probably in fact Botswana. That's the route to Botswana. Botswana and beyond. Windhoek. Alright, I think I'll switch off soon. The Mount Grace coming up soon. Turn off, I think I'll switch off just after that for some nostalgia. not sure how wide the angle is, but that hill, that mountain hill on the right is if I turn exactly, I don't want to loosen the GoPro and swivel it because it's just a bit of a hard operation while you're flying, running. This guy up ahead is the truck I was talking about, so that must be an empty one returning. Just up ahead is the entrance to Mount Gross. Right over here on the right, down that little thingy, and see you guys later.